you probably didn't, because it did kind of horrible. But if you saw that, I was in Vegas and then I was in Arizona, and I just got home yesterday. Right now, I'm actually gonna go check out a house. Hopefully, within the next couple weeks, next month, I'll be getting a house that we can do the videos out of, get my own garage. But right now, I'm gonna go check out one. I'm not gonna go tour it because I don't have my agent with me, but just gonna go take a look at the outside, check out the area, see if I like it. It's only 10 minutes away from my house here in Linwood. So I'm gonna do that. And then after I do that, it's leg day, so I'm gonna go to the gym, and then I'm gonna go hopefully meet up with my cousin Spencer, the one I installed the downpipes with, and I'm gonna see if we can get some runs in. I've literally never raced anybody in this car since I've done the build. I haven't raced anybody. One time in an E36, but it was just on the freeway and I didn't know the guy, and we were just kind of like having fun. It wasn't a real race, but we're gonna see if we can take Spencer. So that's the plan for today. I hope you guys enjoy. Oh, I also need to get a head mount. I have a chest mount. I don't know if that would be fine, but I want to get a head mount for doing some point of view driving and some races. So I'll see if I can grab one of those before I go meet up with Spencer, because I think that would be a really cool angle. It's only like 3 minutes away. It said 10 minutes, but this is a lot closer than 10 minutes. Oh, we just pulled up. It's in this little like complex area. I don't know. See, these houses they're probably, I mean, I looked on the listing and they're nice inside, but they're just so packed close together. Yeah, it's this one. I don't know. It's cool, but 2-car garage. I don't know. That driveway is way too steep for lowered cars, guys. I don't think it's a move. Yeah, that's not it. That was awkward. I just turned onto my road and I didn't get on it hard, just like shifted at like 3 grand, but this car's pretty loud. And there was 3 officers standing there staring at me. And I just saw him out of the corner of my eye and I was like, uh-oh. All right, I made it. I ran home so I could grab headphones and one other thing, but I forgot my head mount. But I don't even really know exactly where it is, so maybe I'll just run to Best Buy and grab one. But yeah, I'm gonna work out. Look at this. I literally have to wear these. When I was in Arizona, I accidentally left my AirPods at the gym there and they got stolen. And my Huff mask. I'm beefing. I like that mask a lot. Like, okay, I get stealing somebody's AirPods, like I wouldn't do that, but I mean, if somebody wants AirPods and they find AirPods, I can see why they would steal them. But why would you want somebody's dirty mask? Like, you could have just left that there. Really? I just pulled up in a C300 and he was asking to race for pinks. He was funny, he was nice, but it was just like, I think he actually thought his car was faster. So, slight change of plans. Spencer doesn't seem like he wants to race. Spencer, if you watch this, I'm gonna go check out another house with my mom real quick. And then after that, I'm probably gonna go to Best Buy, get a head mount, and then we'll see what happens. I'm gonna see if I can find somebody that wants to run it, but I think everybody's scared of. Wait, hold up. We don't have a name for the 135. Or the AMG for that matter, but I think we need to name the 135. Put a name down in the comments, like, cause I'm horrible at thinking about stuff like that. We pulled up to the house where I'm showing my vlog, my process of looking at houses, just so they can kind of see what's going on before I get a place. So if you see right here, in the back, there's a shop kind of, and then see that chimney I hate. But Dad said you could rip that out.
Re-side it, new gutters, new garage door. These little kids are cuties.
And then there's a shop back there. Yeah, I waved. What do you think?
I think it has bones.
Yeah.
I think this is a clean little area.
I like this one. That one's super nice.
They re-sided. They put up some stone.
Yeah. Mom's grabbing a flyer because we just drove past this house. It's kind of in the same neighborhood. Why does that look like mint chocolate chip? Maybe I should get it. It's like my favorite ice cream.
Okay.
How much?
Guess what the rate is.
$6.50.
Guess again.
$8.50.
Lower.
$7.25.
I cannot believe that's...
Why is everything so expensive?
How many square feet is this one? 2-story. Such a pretty day today.
Yeah, it is. It's nice.
It's like perfect temperature. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. Granted, I have a fold down jacket on. It's like a sleeping bag.
I can't... You're wearing a sleeping bag. You can film me, so they have something nice to look at.
Oh, something nice to look at.
But that was a weird noise. Why can't there just be for sale signs up and down here so I can just choose?
You don't necessarily want that either, because that means there's a lot of people that don't want to be in this area.
No, I know. Yeah, this is what I need. Perfect. And only 20 bucks, that's not even bad. We got the 9 out now. Hyper Smooth 3.0. I just got the old 7. I got my 7 at Costco for like 250 bucks with a bundle, so it was a deal. But I kind of want the 9 now. I gotta wait till I get a GoPro sponsorship. Alright, here it is. So let's do a quick unboxing. Okay, this thingy. And the quick clip. They say you can put this quick clip on like a hat, so I want to try that too later. I'm a rookie. I just looked at those clips I took and my GoPro was angled up too high so you could barely see what I was doing. I tried to get people to race, but nobody wants to, so I'm just gonna get some driving footage for you guys and rip on it a little bit. But soon somebody will race me. There's a dope underpass right here. This was a mistake. It's taking forever. This was a horrible idea. I was like, oh, I'll just take the freeway to see if I can find anybody that wants to run it. At 5 o'clock. Like, bro. I just met up with a buddy right up in front of me. He owns a Lexus ISF, so we're about to go to a little spot and see if we can get sideways. I like drift AMG sometimes, but I honestly like never really like actually drifted or do donuts, so I'm excited to see what happens. I think we just pulled up. I've seen videos, but I've never been here. Oh, it's actually really well lit. Yeah, there's marks on the ground. All right, we'll see what happens.
Have you tried doing like a standstill burnout and then going out?
No.
Oh,
yeah, I put it on.
that's big boy power.
Huh?
You had the room, but
It's still sketchy.
I'd come down in there, third gear, hold e-brake all the way down.
Yeah, bro, that's hot. I can't do that. In the daily too? You want to film a burnout for me? It's recording.
Here, let's go.
Sheesh! God damn! Okay. I can't see shit. I can't see shit. Jesus Christ. That was filthy. I wish I could do that shit in my car, bro.
I had to do it to him. Dude, it looks like it's foggy outside. Damn, that actually left rubber.
Damn. Them shits is thick.
Dang. Look at this, like,
It's still in there.
shit. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I just ruined my tires for you guys. Change of plan since I never raced Spencer in the 135, but I think I might be doing that tomorrow. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to drop a like. I know you guys have been asking for some AMG content for a while, so here it is. Make sure to drop a sub and leave a comment. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much and have a good night.